Okay, so that's the beginning of Walk This Way by Aerosmith. We're gonna have this first riff, 1, 2 on the A to 2 on the D. Do that twice. We're gonna go to an E bass here, and then we go chick, chick. It's like a 4 and, so 4 and then the next one goes. Okay, so we did the 1, 2, 2 twice. 3 to open, pull off. Quick 2 there in the D string, staccato. So we got. Now the third one's just gonna go. No chicks or anything on that one. And the fourth one ends on the A power chord. That gets us into a verse. Okay, so this beginning again, we got 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we get into the verse. We're gonna have this C power chord to get us going. Okay, so we have 8, 8, 8 on the big E string to the 10 on the 5th string, and then go 10 again after holding that a little bit, and a pull off on the 12 to 10. And then we go bass note, 10 on the D, 10 on the A. So 13 on the A, pull off 12 to 10. That's the whole riff. So we got. Okay, that's the verse riff, and so we do that 7 times, and on the 8th time we go. Once we do the 8, 10, 10, we're gonna hit the 7 and 7 from the A and D strings, part of an A power chord there. It's kind of easier to hit those two. So it's just kind of like that. The A that happens over here too, so. So let's try to play that nice and slow. 2, 3, 4. So a lot of this tune is just being able to stretch that thing. It's kind of a big stretch there. Luckily, you're not down on one of these lower chords, obviously, you know. So a little faster. 2, 3, and. Like I say, that'd go 7 times, and the 8th time would be. And then we're back into this riff down here. It's gonna be a little different this time. It was a little different just for the intro, and now it's gonna kind of change, be a slightly variated now for the rest of the tune. So we're gonna have. Chick. So that's gonna have a chick at the end. And that timing on that little pull off and that 3 to open is a little different. Go to the E and then pull off to that 2. Okay, third one's gonna be same as the first. Then the last one is gonna go to the A chord. And we're back into our verse. Okay, so let's try the verse again. 3, 4. Okay, there's another verse there, and then we get into the chorus. Now the chorus is gonna have another stretchy thing. We got. Okay, so we have the 10, and then the 12, and the 13 coming in the A with that big 8 bass. And then go 13, 12, 13 at the end. And if it helps, you don't have to keep that finger there. You can kind of help you stretch if you move it out of the way. So we got same thing on the string below for the F chord. Okay, then we'd be back into the... Okay, so that chorus thing also has another thing that goes with it when you got the walk this way. Okay, so the second guitar is doing this chord, 8 on the G, 10 on the B string, dum, da, dum. And then for the other chord, it does the 10 and 11 on the bottom two. Walk this way. So you can kind of put them together like... Okay, so that's the little short solo we're going to do in this lesson here. We're going to have a little, kind of a slow little bend on that 11. So we have a hammer-on pull-off, 8, 11, 8. 11 on the second to the little 8. Bend that 11, come up and down. So once again, we got... So little 8, pull-off, 11 to 8 there. 11, 10, 8 on the G string. So we got... Get a little pull off there. So 2 10s, kind of a bend there on the second one. 8 to 10 on the D. Little half stepper up and down on the 10th fret, second string. So 8, second string, 10 on the G string, back to the 8. 11, 10, 8, kind of double pull off. 10, 8, double again, 10, 8 again. Bend that 11 on the second. And there's a note from our A when we do the, to move into the new sections. Okay, so the solo is going to start out with that. And then you're back to the... So the solo is going to have this kind of... Okay, so I think it's probably this like 7 and 8 here on the G and B strings. It is kind of an E chord too, so you could just kind of do the 7s on the middle strings there, power chord type of thing. A. I think that 7/8 sounds good because it's kind of like that raised 9 kind of chord for that E. Sounds pretty good.